Now I'm gonna show you how to tie two pieces of half round girders together. First, you're gonna measure the overlap, how much they're gonna fit within each other. So they're gonna overlap 4 inches. And you're gonna bend this one out because this is the piece gonna carry the other one. This is the one has the outlet in it. So the other section of girder is gonna feed into it. And because this is the one carrying it, we're gonna put a bead of silicone here within the overlap. You're gonna bend it the opposite way, the opposite of what we did with the outlet piece. So this will overlap or fit inside the other one nicely. Now we're gonna just do like that. They fit in, and we go 4 inch and start turning this guy inside. So as you see, the silicone is hidden. Now we're gonna drill a couple holes to put 2 rivets. Rivets are more than enough. Matter of fact, you don't need rivets if you're putting the pieces together on a roof. Now this is the seam, and we measured in a way that the seam gonna be covered with a fascia bracket, and all will be the same span. So now we covered the seam with a fascia bracket. As you can see, these two pieces of girders are joined in a nice way, and they have 4 inch overlap. They can move, expand, and contract without a need for any connection piece that other brands they use, and makes the thing look flimsy and less strong, because